Step 1. Clean the copper wire and iron wire using sandpaper. Step 2. Coil the iron wire and putting it into one of the test tubes. Repeat the same step for copper wire. Next, measure 12 cm³ of 0.5 mol per dm³ of sodium chloride solutions and pour it into a beaker. Then measure 6 cm³ of 0.05 mol per dm³ of potassium chloride solutions and pour it into the same beaker. Lastly, measure 2 cm³ of 0.5 mol per dm³ of sodium hydroxide solutions. Pour it into the same beaker. Heat the mixture until it's boiled. Carefully pour the mixture into the test tube until it covers the metal as shown in the video. Place both test tubes on the test tube rack and keep them aside for at least 1 week. This is the result after 10 days. Observations that we get for the test tube containing iron wire is brown precipitate is formed. This indicates the iron rust. While the observations for the test tube containing copper wire is blue precipitate is formed. This shows that the copper corrodes. Next, we move to discussions part. First questions. What is the purpose of using sodium hydroxide solutions in this experiment? The purpose of using sodium hydroxide solution is to detect the presence of copper 2 ion and iron 3 ions. Next questions. Based on the observation in this experiment, write the half equations for the reactions that occur. Half equations for the copper wire is copper atoms donates 2 electrons to form copper 2 ions. Meanwhile, half equations for the iron wire is iron atom first donates 2 electrons to form iron 2 ions. Then iron 2 ion donates 1 electron to form iron 3 ions. Last questions. What is the conclusions of this experiment? Conclusion is metal corrosion occurs when metal atom loses electrons to form metal ions.